I don't know if you can hear me, but malakas yung hangin ngayon. The wind is blowing so hard. Merong windstorm. Ayan. Namin. So, merong Santa Ana wind. I think it's time. This is a good time to test the microphone of this DJI Action 5 Pro. So, hindi ko alam kung narinig nyo ko. I don't know if you can hear me, but the wind is crazy. So the wind says here up to 57 miles per hour. Yeah, is a little bit freezing, but we're trying to test it. I don't know if you can hear me, but let's test the DJI Mic Mini. So we're gonna use the one with the, I don't know what you call this. Let's try it. Oh shit. So DJI Mic Mini with this crazy wind. The wind is blowing so hard. There's like a windstorm right now here in Saudi, California. But I'm using the DJI Mic Mini. This is a good time to test it. That tree almost gonna fall. Hopefully it doesn't fall on our fence. I'm checking our roof. So that's how you test the mic. So this audio is coming straight from the DJI Action 5 Pro. Then I'm gonna test. Then we're gonna test the DJI Mic Mini with this crazy Santa Ana wind. I'm not a technical person, so if you wanna know what's inside the DJI Mic Mini, you can watch other video. I just want to test the Mic Mini with this crazy Santa Ana wind. So this one straight from the mic from the DJI Action 5 Pro. Then we're gonna turn on the Mic Mini with this wind thingy, so you will know the difference. All right. Hello. So right now the audio that you are hearing is coming from the DJI Mic Mini with this wind. I don't know. I don't know what this is, but this is a wind. I'm not a reviewer, I'm not a technical person. I just wanna show you what's the difference, or you should invest to have a good microphone for your cameras. So hopefully you can hear me with this 57 miles per hour wind that we are having right now. The Santa Ana wind is crazy. Look at the wind blowing. So they cancel the school, my kids at home, everyone's safe. So hopefully you guys are safe too. But I just want to try this mic with this severe crazy windy weather. All right. Okay. I'm testing the DJI Mic Mini. Then I'll show you the distance or how far the mic can be. I don't know how far I am, but whew, the wind is crazy. Oh no, my camera fell. Hello. So yeah, I'm just testing the microphone. But if you want to watch some technical specs of this mic, DJI Mic Mini, please watch other videos. I'm not a reviewer, I'm not a technical person. I just want to try this mic. Ooh! Ooh! Ang lamig! So yeah. So let's see how far I can go. I don't know if you get. Oh man. So I think I'm done. Thank you guys for watching. I am done reviewing the mic. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you're safe. Have a blessed week. And I'll see you on my next video. Adios.
The will of the wind, you feel it and then